Hey everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Aromatherapy Institute, and today we're going to be talking about how to blend by note. Now, this is a very basic example of how to blend for fragrances. We also use it in therapeutic blending as just a rule of thumb to follow, and this will give it a balance of the chemistry as well as the fragrance. Now, if you want to learn more about how to blend by note, you want to get a copy of my book, Therapeutic Blending with Essential Oil, because I do give you all the basics of how to blend, all the information and the notes. Because when we do a blending by note, we're going to be looking at the top, middle, and base note. So this means that we're going to be choosing about 3 to 5 oils. Now, in this case, 3 oils is a great way to start your blend. And this one is going to have a top note, middle note, and base note. So the first thing you want to do is choose your 3 oils that you want to blend together. The best way to find out if you like them is by using your perfume strips and checking the fragrance, waving it under your nostrils, making sure you like it. That's in another video if you want to check that out. But let's go ahead and get started, because it's really as simple as 1, 2, 3 or 3, 2, 1 if you want to look at it that way, because what we're going to be doing is taking and using 1 base note to 2 drops of middle note to 3 drops of top note. So you see how we're building it? 1, 2, 3. And this way we're going to have a beautiful composition of those 3 fragrances together. So I have chosen already 3 oils that I'm going to try. Never done these 3 as a combination before, but I thought, hey, why not? I love green mandarin, and so I just love all the citrus, and this one especially is a nice combination. It's almost like a sweetness of orange, but very much like lime. You almost have that little bit of a bite at the end. It tastes like, or it smells like candy, I should say. Then I'm going to use lavender. This is a great solid middle note. Love this one. And if you like florals, this is a great one, and there's so many other choices if you're not crazy about lavender. But hey, I thought, why not try it? And for my 3rd note, my base note, I decided it was either between the frankincense or sandalwood. Now, sandalwood is so rich and such a nice base note. I decided I'm going to try this one. So let's go ahead and get started. I always start with my base note, and a lot of people think, why does it matter? Does it really matter which one you start with? No, not really. But if you are thinking about, hey, maybe I want to add 1 more drop of that, well, after you've done that, then it's impossible to take it back. So I always start with the base, and I just do that 1 drop. It's hard to get this one out because it's such a thick oil. This is when you need your pipette. Okay, I got a tiny little bit out there. Oh, now I got more than I need probably. All right, so you're gonna have your 1 drop of base note, 2 drops of the middle, which is what I have here, lavender, and then we're gonna do 3 drops of our top note. Now the top note is a thinner velocity, right? So this one is going to evaporate the fastest. That's why we use more of the top note, because it's the first one that evaporates. And sometimes that gets lost, and you don't have that in your blend when you're doing it for aromatic uses. All right, so you can use a little pipette or a little stir rod. I've already packed up my stir rods because I'm going to Vegas tomorrow to teach a certification class, so I'm really excited about that, but I've already packed them all up. So I'm just gonna roll it around. Check it. Oh, wow. You know, it's amazing because of the fact that I don't have a lot of the base note, I still smell it. It's very present in this. And it's a nice balance because you have that middle floral and that citrus top. So there you have it. Blending by note is as easy as 3, 2, 1. Can you remember that? 1 drop of base note, 2 drops of middle note, 3 drops of your top note. And that's just a very basic blend. You can use this for all kinds of purposes. If you want to know about the classifications of notes and which oils and what notes they are, I have that information in here in this book. I also have all the different recipes. For instance, if you're making a blend for anxiety, it's here. Or if you want to blend for arthritis, it's here. There's so many ways you can use these oils. They are so wonderful. And I hope that this helps you. I would love to hear about your blends and how they turn out. Leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. I am so happy to be with you and be a part of your YouTube life. I would love to hear from you because it's been so long. And you know what? When you guys leave comments below, it encourages me. It keeps me going because I tell you, sometimes when you work offline and you're working at home by yourself, you sometimes lose vision or purpose because you don't hear any feedback. You don't know what people are thinking. You don't know if it's helping or if it's just something that's, just doesn't do anything for anybody. I want to know what you would like to hear. I want to know what kind of blends you want to make on this channel. I would love to hear from you if you want to be a part of our channel. We want to invite you, the viewers, to become a part of us by joining us. Maybe we can do a Zoom together or some kind of a way to do a video together. I would love to do that. And please, if you want to get more information about our school and certification for aromatherapy, visit our website at aromahut.com. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.